Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete a report on TikTok. For example, if you have recently made a report on a TikTok video and now if you want to delete that report, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi internet connection. So here you have to simply go to the App Store and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the app, TikTok app, and after that you have to simply open the TikTok. And if you want to delete the report, then there are two methods. The first method is that you have to simply click on video, and after that, as you report that video, and after reporting, you will see view reports option here. And after click on the view reports option, then you will see all of the reports you have ever made. And as you click on that report, then there will be option available. If you have already reported, then there will be option to delete it. And the second option is that you have to simply go to profile, go to settings, and here and go to settings and privacy. And after that, you have to go to the safety center or privacy center. And here you will find all of the reports you have ever made, and you can simply select any of the reports and you want to delete it, then you will be able to delete on TikTok. So hope you have liked this video, and get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.